What's up guys, I'm back here with another video this week, and in this week's video I'm going to talk to you guys about the 3 things that you're going to do if you are a new business owner and you just bought a website. And this might be relevant to a lot of people because I'm getting a lot of messages about, tips and tricks about how to really rank your website. And the best thing that you can do for yourself, especially if you are a new business owner who has a website but has no one going to the website, is to drive traffic through either SEO and other recommendations that I'm going to recommend to you guys today in this video. So if you guys are curious about learning more about my tips and my tricks, then be sure to keep on watching. So tip number 1 is something that I always preach, and it's to really understand your searcher's intent. And what I mean by this is to really narrow down the things that you expect for someone to really search for on Google before they go onto your website. And the reason why I really always preach the searcher's intent when I'm doing website audits is because people are searching your website for a reason. They have a problem or they have something that they want to learn more about. So your website needs to really be in a position where they are answering a question for anybody that is online. And so for example, if someone had a toilet problem and they didn't want to hire a plumber because they know that plumbers are super expensive, they wanted to save money and kind of fix it at home without any actual expertise. And so the searcher's intent for your website, if you are a blogger, a online kind of course creator, content creator to help people fix any home issues on your website, you might want to answer the question, how I can help you fix toilets at home. And so your next question might be, okay, so I know my searcher's intent and now I know that it's on my website. I have it in maybe the first page, in the very bottom, the middle, the top, somewhere in the website. And now I want to know exactly how does that translate into website traffic? And that is a great question. The next thing that you want to do is to really optimize it in maybe 3 to 4 places. The first one is going to be your title tag. The second one is going to be your meta description. Your third one is going to be anywhere on your H1 headline on your website. And the fourth thing might be on maybe alt text. And so those edits that I just suggested are really helpful for you to really build the foundation of what your website is going to be like, how you can really build the foundation with your SEO and with the Google algorithm as well. And the next thing that you're probably curious about is how do I make sure I get consistent traffic? And the next step is Omnichannel Optimization. And what I mean by this is really being able to connect your social media channels, whether you have a Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, you name it, basically to have these channels directly linking to your website organically. Essentially, as long as you have a link on your social media channels that link to your website, that is already half the job done. You're doing a great job if you're already doing that. And this whole process of you adding a link to your social media channels that will link to your website is called link building. So basically you are building links to your website organically, step by step, and this is probably where you need the most patience because link building isn't a overnight process and it doesn't really trickle in down to the algorithm overnight as well. It does take a few weeks, if not a few kind of months as well. And it will happen, you just gotta wait. But if you guys are curious about kind of how this whole link building process works and the foundations of it, be sure to check my video over here. I have a video all about how to the foundations around link building, how you can get started, and how it really does help you, especially if you are a new website trying to get ranking on the search engine on Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. Alright guys, so that's pretty much a wrap to this video this week, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a really quick video on basically how to really get more website traffic, or really if you're a new business owner and you want to start a new business during the time and you just not sure how to rank your website organically through the search engine and through social media channels, these are the quick steps on how you can do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys